Welcome to Chicago Build 2024. Bigger and better than ever.
This is our first time presenting. We came upon the show just a couple of weeks ago and we said, we gotta be there.
So far, it's been an outstanding show for us. For us, being a participant as a non-traditional construction vendor is really exciting.
We've been coming to Chicago Build for 3 years now. We love it. The past 2 days has been amazing. Our booth has been very packed and everybody's loving the hats. They're loving the support that we provide to the community.
There's been a lot of great people coming through, a lot of good conversations to be had. It's been a very fruitful show for us. We'll definitely be back for more events to come.
Show has been amazing. The foot traffic has been incredible. We've seen a wide array of different people, from contractors to designers. It's really been beneficial to make some contacts.